Hi, good morning, everybody. My name is Alex. I'm from Hong Kong. That I am in the jewelry industry business. So during the restrictions on traveling for different visitors from different country, there's still a lot of people. They are looking for chances to buy things from Hong Kong, but they don't know how to get it over to their country. So what I can suggest you to do that we do have a mailing system. We do send things over to uh, different part of the world. So here is some procedure that we can organize some um, exporting jewelry to you that you can contact us. Say the procedure is, first of all, you contact us by email or phone call. So that provide some uh, information on what you need, what you want to do. Say because if you get up some idea, then we can start using some different uh, different way to do it. Like for example, according to what you describe, we can give you some pictures or some drawing. So, or on the other hand, if you do have some old jewelry yourself, so you take some picture of them, you can email us, so we can work it out from there. Because also we have to study what is the stone like and which is the best way to work out something for you. We provide you different design with different quotation. So from that, then after you pick it up or that, we have a bit of discussion through email or through phone call, and then we finalize an exact drawing or picture for you before you finalize the order. Say if you agree with what you like, then you can arrange the payment either by credit card or telegraphic transfer. So all this can be done very easy. And then when we finish the products, we will send you the image. Make sure you are happy with what we done. Then if everything is satisfied, then we will ship it out to you. How do we ship it out? We ship it by FedEx, by Federal Express, and it will be insured, covered by the Lloyd's underwriter from London. So your piece of jewelry will be definitely fully under insurance. So once you receive it, then you will just let us know you got it and you're happy with it. Then I wish you can recommend your friends to us. So now ordering jewelry, that is easy, but how about redesign and resetting? So again, you can also contact us, send us a picture of what you have. Uh, Say picture about the old jewelry, how do you want it? Because some old item that also we have to really have your piece, then we can check it whether this can be worked out or not. So send up the item by registered email from post office in your side. Talking about sending your jewelry to me, very easy. Go to the post office and get a parcel like this. Put your jewelry in, send it to me. When I receive it, okay, then I'll start working on a beautiful piece of jewelry. When it's finished, how do we get it back to you? We send it by FedEx. Okay? So with the FedEx, we also put your parcel, you send it to me, included inside. So when it comes through customs, that would help. That will verify that this is the piece of jewelry you send it out to me, and I have it reset and send it back to you. Then ship it to us. So we give you all the detail of our address and person to contact. And also, if you have any paper, any document regarding about the actual value of your stone, please email us. So we can also have the piece covered by insurance by the Lloyd underwriter from London, that in a way to come up to our place, and when we have the piece of jewelry remake, when we forward it back to you, and it will be covered by the insurance as well. So make sure, let us know when you send the parcel out from your side. Give us the tracking number so we can follow it up. Then once it arrives with your tracking number, we will tell you, we got a parcel, and we can start working on how we organize a new design to reset your jewelry. And I wish this information can help you out even during the virus time. If you do want to have some jewelry to please yourself, or you want to do something for years and you never get a chance, say why you do it through Hong Kong. As I've been dealing with a lot of overseas customers, and they found we got more updated jewelry, more updated design, and with a more reasonable prices. Here we are at this stage, and I wish you can always contact us. We are happy to serve you, and I will keep coming back to you with different idea, like how to. We might have a little video again saying how to look after your jewelry and so on. Or for example, since if you contact us, we have a lot of different ideas that we can work together. Don't forget, you are not just buying a piece of jewelry. You are also doing something. You exercise your brain to keep yourself updated with different tastes and with different preference. I should say thank you for watching this video and say goodbye to you at this stage. Here we are. I wish we can keep in touch again. Thank you.